right. Stop sign. Look both ways. Spaceship! Ah! I just went into space in my Tesla. It's kind of like the Roadster. I'm going to find the Roadster. I am not making any sense right now, am I? Nope. But that was the car telling me that I was going off the road, when in all reality I just didn't use my blinker to turn when it thought I should be going straight. So anyway, that has nothing to do with this video. But this video, before I get into the meat and potatoes, if you're, you know, grew up like I did, I want to stop and say thank you for being here and watching, and hope you have a good day, and hope you enjoy the video. I'm trying to make my videos more exciting. I realize they're kind of boring, you know, so I'm trying to do a little bit more to make them more exciting for people to watch. So right now, I want to say thank you, and I want to ask you to please like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And hope to see you around. But appreciate you, and now here's back to the video. Look at that. We've got some rain. Finally got some rain. We've actually had rain, but it's been really hot, and we needed some more rain to make the ground wet so things would grow. So, welcome to today's episode, everybody. I have this right here, the 2025r. The videos have been lagging because I've been super busy with less fun things. I have the Frontier SS2036B spreader that is now empty. And I'm gonna be putting some fertilizer on my lawn because it is time to do that, and it needs to be done, and I'm gonna do it. So yeah, you're gonna see me load the spreader, and you know, I'm gonna record me driving around the lawn for a little bit. I don't know how exciting it's gonna be. You tell me, but that's what I'm gonna do. So catch you in a bit. pipe work. You guys all right? You fell off. All right, now we go spread. Time for a refill. Time for a refill. So that's 3 bags. That should do about my yard for the most part. Yeah, we'll see you in a bit. So that was my yard fertilization, weed preventer, killer, death to weeds, you know, whatever you want to call it. I am now in the car, the Model 3, driving. I'm gonna go get my hair cut, 'cause that's what happens. Your hair gets long and then you cut it. So take that for some knowledge for the day. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching the video. If you like it, hit subscribe. I've already put part of this message at the beginning of the video, told you to subscribe, but if you're this far in, you might as well, and you haven't subscribed, you might as well hit subscribe. I'm gonna start doing a little giveaway, nothing major, because my channel's not big. But I'm gonna start doing some giveaways, try to get a little bit more interaction on the channel, and you know, make it worth somebody's time to watch my videos, because I appreciate y'all watching. And have a great day. Make somebody's day better, but make your day better first. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.